today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make fiery beef tacos. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so for this recipe we'll start off with one brown onion, and we'll only need half for this. So we'll use the other half to actually fill our tacos. So what we're going to do with this half is finely dice it. So just like so. So we'll set that to the side. And next we'll just need one long red chili. So we'll take the stem off. We'll go right through the middle. Now I'm going to take the seeds out because these ones are very hot. So that's up to you. If you want it extra hot, leave the seeds in. And all we'll do is just very finely slice these. So let's move on to our stove now. Alright, and just into a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to add our onions straight in. And we just want to fry that until our onions are nice and brown. So at this point we'll add in our chilies as well, along with about 2 crushed garlic cloves. And we'll also add in about 300 grams of beef mince. And we just want to cook that all together until our mince has browned. Alright guys, so at this point we're going to season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Alright, and at this point we'll add in about a 1/4 cup of water. And we'll just continue cooking for a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for that to finish cooking, we'll do our shells. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In my case I've got 5 shells here. If you're using hard shells, just space them out a bit. This one comes with a cardboard wedge, which is heat proof, that you just put in the top there to keep it open. So all we need to do is place it in the oven just like so. So I've just placed it in a foil container to make it easier. And we just need to put these in the oven for only about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so our shells are ready as you can see. So here comes the fun part. So we'll grab about a spoonful of our mixture and get it in there just like that. Now toppings wise, I'm just going to go for avocado. And we'll sprinkle in some cheese. And we'll finish it off with a dollop of sour cream. Just like that. That's ready to go. So toppings wise, you can do whatever you want. You can put some tomatoes in there, you can put some onions in there, you can put some beans in there if you want, whatever you want. Alright, and there we have it guys. So you can modify this recipe, you can do it with lamb mince, pork mince or chicken mince as well if you want. So that's just completely up to you. And of course you can do soft tacos instead. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.